Want to learn how to add audio spectrum in CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and today in this video I am going to show you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. Then tap on New Project. Select the video clip. Then tap on Add icon. Tap on the text icon and select Stickers. Scroll till you see the notification icon. Then tap on it. Scroll down and you will see the audio spectrum. Tap on it. Adjust the place where you want to keep this audio spectrum. Now tap on the tick mark and preview the video. By following these steps, you can easily add audio spectrum in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.